Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Man armed with sledgehammer tries to rob Manchester store, police say. Multiple armed robberies under investigation in city. Police in Manchester said Tuesday they are looking into a string of armed robberies, including one in which a sledgehammer was used as a weapon. Manchester police said they hope the public can help them solve several armed robberies, including one Tuesday morning in which a man armed with a sledgehammer attempted to rob a convenience store. Police released surveillance images of a man entering the shop and go market at 188 Massapequa Street sometime before 7:30 a.m. Police said the man raised a small sledgehammer above his head and demanded cash. The clerk refused and the man left with nothing, police said. Officials said the incident was the third armed store robbery in the past 24 hours, but they're not sure if they're connected. In the last probably 10 days, I believe, we've had half a dozen armed robberies, Lieutenant Brian O'Keefe said. The two yesterday, the alternate was armed with a knife. Today, an alternate was armed with what appeared to be a sledgehammer. We're just hopeful this doesn't escalate. Authorities are reaching out to city store owners to educate them on how to cut down on such crimes. Right now, we're looking to set up a robbery scenario for store owners so they can have pointers to look at and tips before, during, or after a robbery, what police are looking for, what we want them to look for, O'Keefe said. Police said the man who tried to rob the shop and go was wearing a distinctive jacket with pockets in the front and what looked like black patches on the soldier. Anyone who recognized the man in the surveillance images or who has information on any of the recent robberies is asked to call Manchester Police at 603 668 8711. And here is a photo of that armed robbery suspect. If you recognize him, call the Manchester Police Department or any of the other robberies that happened in the city. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great evening, everyone. And I'll see you back here tomorrow for more news reports. Good night, everyone. Bye.